Hello and welcome to our YouTube video on the top 3 print-on-demand websites. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with us. If you're an artist, designer, or creative entrepreneur, you may have considered using a print-on-demand service to turn your artwork or designs into physical products. These services allow you to create custom products like t-shirts, phone cases, and more without the upfront costs of inventory or manufacturing. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 3 print-on-demand websites that we recommend for anyone looking to create and sell their own product. First up, we have Printful. Printful is a leading print-on-demand service that offers a wide range of products and high-quality printing that allows you to create custom products using your own designs. This can be anything from t-shirts and hoodies to phone cases and mugs. The process is simple. You upload your design, select the product you want to use it on, and Printful takes care of the rest. They handle everything from production and fulfillment to shipping, so all you have to do is sit back and watch your sales roll in. There are several benefits to using Printful for your business. First and foremost, it allows you to offer a wider range of products to your customers without having to hold any inventory. This can save you a lot of money on storage and shipping costs. Additionally, Printful has a variety of options for customizing your products, including different sizes, colors, and materials. This means you can offer a unique and personalized shopping experience to your customers. One of the things that set Printful apart is the quality of its products. They use high-quality materials and state-of-the-art printing techniques to ensure that your designs look great on the final product. And in the unlikely event that you do have a problem with your order, their customer service team is always there to help. They have a dedicated support team available to answer any questions you might have. In conclusion, Printful is a great tool for anyone looking to turn their designs into physical products. Whether you're a small business owner or just looking to create custom gifts for your friends and family, Printful has something for everyone. So give it a try and see what you can create. Next, we have Printify. With Printify, you can choose from a wide range of products including t-shirts, phone cases, mugs, and more, and customize them with your own designs or images. Once you've designed your product, Printify will handle all the printing and fulfillment, so you can focus on growing your business. One of the best things about Printify is that you don't have to worry about minimum order quantities or inventory. You can start selling your custom products right away, without any upfront costs or risk. Printify also has a partnership with top print providers, so you can be confident that you'll receive high-quality products every time. And with their easy-to-use design tool, you can create professional-looking designs in just a few minutes. So if you're looking to start selling custom products, give Printify a try. With their reliable fulfillment and top-quality products, you'll be able to take your business to the next level. Finally, we have Redbubble. Redbubble is a well-known platform that allows you to sell a variety of products featuring your artwork or design. Redbubble including t-shirts, phone cases, stickers, and more. It's a great platform for artists to showcase their work and for customers to find unique and original products. One of the things that sets Redbubble apart is its commitment to quality. All of the products are made with high-quality materials and are printed with care. The company also has a strict policy against copyright infringement, so you can be sure that the designs you're purchasing are original and legit. Another great feature of Redbubble is the wide range of sizes and styles available. No matter what your taste or size preference, you'll be able to find something that suits you. And with millions of designs to choose from, you're sure to find something that speaks to you. But Redbubble isn't just a great place to shop, it's also a great place to sell. The platform makes it easy for artists to set up their own stores and start selling their design. And with a global audience and a wide range of products available, it's a great way for artists to get their work out there and make a little extra money. So if you're an artist looking for a new way to showcase your work, or a shopper looking for unique and original products, Redbubble is the place to be. Check it out today and see what you can find. So there you have it, our top 3 picks for print-on-demand websites. Whether you're an artist looking to sell your artwork or a small business owner looking to expand your product offerings, these services can help you turn your ideas into physical products with minimal upfront costs. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful content.